You open XAMPP, ready to start your Apache server. You click Start, and then, bam, error. Why isn't it working? Don't panic. This error happens because Apache's trying to use ports that are already occupied. But don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to fix it fast. Restart XAMPP. Let's give it a fresh start. Now click on it. You'll see a list of configuration files, but don't worry. We only need 2. First, open http.conf. That's httpd.config. This file controls Apache's main settings. Now let's find the troublemaker, port 80. Instead of scrolling forever, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Type 80 and hit enter. There it is. Change every 80 you see to 8080. Simple. Now save the file. First step done. Next, open htssl.conf. httpdssl.config. Again, use Ctrl+F. But this time, search for 443. If you find 443, change it to 8443 or any other free port like 8434 or 4433. If you don't see 443, look for 44 instead. Make the changes. Save the file, and we're almost done. Now the moment of truth. Restart XAMPP. Click Start Apache, and pend. Boom! Apache starts successfully. And just like that, problem solved. You can now run your local server without any issues. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. And hey, if you love quick tech fixes, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. See you in the next video. Happy coding!